In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text on your Shopify website. Whether you want to update headings, descriptions, buttons, or homepage content, Shopify makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store. After that, click Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page or section where the text appears. Now simply click on the text section you want to edit. When selected, the editing options will appear on the right side of the screen. You can now change headings, descriptions, button text, announcements, or any other visible content on your store. After making your changes, click Save at the top right corner. Your updated text will now appear live on your Shopify website. And that's it. You've successfully edited text on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.